Today we're looking into the story of Cinnamon Brown, a case that shocked the United States because of how a child was manipulated into committing a tragic crime by someone she trusted most, her own father. It's a story of control, trauma, and long-term consequences that still raises difficult questions today. So now, many are asking, where is Cinnamon Brown now? Let's find out. The case goes back to 1985. In California, when 14-year-old Cinnamon Brown shot and killed her stepmother, Linda Brown. At the time, it appeared to be a straightforward case, but as investigators dug deeper, a far more disturbing reality began to emerge. Cinnamon's father, David Brown, was later revealed to have manipulated and coerced her into committing the murder. Evidence showed that he had subjected her to years of abuse and psychological control, ultimately convincing her to carry out the killing. During the trial, prosecutors and defense attorneys presented a complex picture. While Cinnamon had pulled the trigger, the influence of her father became central to the case. Ultimately, she was convicted of second-degree murder and sentenced to prison. Her father, David Brown, was also convicted for his role in orchestrating the crime. Over time, Cinnamon's case became widely discussed as an example of child manipulation and abuse, with many questioning how much responsibility should fall on a minor under such extreme influence. So, where is Cinnamon Brown now? She was paroled in 1992 at age 21 after cooperating with prosecutors, which resulted in her father receiving a life sentence. She served her time at a California Youth Authority facility. Information regarding her current life is private, but reports at the time of her release in 1992 indicated she was living in Orange County, California, and planned to work, seeking a quiet life after a heavily publicized trial. There are very few confirmed public updates about her current whereabouts, as she has avoided media attention and has not pursued a public presence. Her story remains a powerful and troubling reminder of how deeply manipulation and abuse can impact a young person's actions and how the justice system grapples with such cases. From a tragic crime shaped by control and influence to a life now lived in privacy, Cinnamon Brown's story continues to be remembered as one of the most complex cases involving a minor. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.